So today we're at the first Midwest Statistical Machine Learning Colloquium. So professors and students from universities around the Midwest and the U.S. actually are here to present their statistical machine learning research that they've been doing and some new advancements in the field. The event has been really good to present research such as my own to a technical audience, to get good feedback, and people from industry are here as well, so we can get good feedback on how they may apply it or what would help them in industry versus just doing things from a purely theoretical standpoint.
I stopped by the posters, the presentations, and I can see how they do similar works in different way, and how I can make my work better and better. We've proposed a method to do clustering with incomplete proximity metrics. In practice, most of the time you don't have information available for all objects you're going to cluster, and if you want to cluster them in groups based on some attributes, some properties, you need to know how each pair of objects are similar to each other. And it's very expensive in practice to measure the similarity between all pairs. And we've done this by using some graph theories, and we've applied this in agricultural area, and the validation of the method shows that our method really works good.
So with my research, if you get a mental picture in your head, there's a bunch of colored squares that they're kind of all about and really shuffled. Well, what my research does is, can we take those and can we make it into a checkerboard pattern based on those colors? So in my example, soybean varieties would be in the rows, locations they're planted in would be the columns, and the color would correspond to a yield value.